Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of February, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of -0.61. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently stands at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is at the lower part of a horizontal trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable buying opportunity. However, if it breaks through the bottom trend line at $500.32, it could signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 0.592% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -0.96% to +7.04%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 22.86%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 18.78% to 31.13% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $603.61 and $666.35. Our latest daily update for the QQ highlights the upgrade of the QQQ ETF to hold accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Friday the 28th of February 2025, the QQQ ETF price increased by 1.58%, rising from 500.27 to 500.17. During that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 2.38%, with a low of 496.93 and a high of 508.75. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has seen volatility, resulting in a loss of 5.17%. Trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 47 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $23.79 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. In the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its highest price of $540.80, while its lowest price was $413.7. Currently, the price stands 6.03%, or $32.63, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ Trust continues to attract attention as one of the best-performing exchange-traded funds, having risen significantly since its inception. Recent discussions highlight the benefits of passive management strategies, particularly the buy and hold approach, which could appeal to long-term investors looking to capitalize on compounding returns with less volatility. This interest aligns well with retail investor behaviors, where examining favorite holdings of active fund managers can lead to profitable choices. In addition, NVIDIA's recent earnings report has reignited focus on tech stocks under the QQQ umbrella, further impacting sentiment in the near term. However, an alternative exchange-traded fund to QQQ has emerged, suggesting that some investors may consider different options to meet their growth objectives, reflecting a competitive landscape within tech-focused exchange-traded funds. Additionally, the performance of leveraged exchange-traded funds like ProShares Ultrashort QQQ indicates that traders might pursue short positions if market movements shift. As capital inflows surged, with exchange-traded funds drawing $29.5 billion last week alone, the QQQ's robust position in the market remains particularly vital. The ongoing rotation towards non-tech dividend stocks may also signal a broader market shift, which could affect QQQ's allure among dividend-seeking investors. In the short term, the interplay of tech performance, shifting market dynamics, and investor sentiment could cause fluctuations in QQQ's stock price. However, for long-term investors maintaining a focus on passive strategies and diversification, QQQ remains a solid component of a growth-oriented portfolio. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative rating with a hold recommendation. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 27, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.58%. Further rises are indicated until a new top pivot is found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near short-term developments. The QQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $517.07 and $522.42. A breakout above either of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $507.19, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this ETF. Over the last day, the ETF moved $11.82 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.38%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.32%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a subdued expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $514.21. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $507.19. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $482.15, reflecting a decline of 5.12%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ exhibits several negative indicators, making it a potential sell candidate. However, considering the overall possibility of a turnaround, it should be regarded as a hold candidate. This means you may choose to hold or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has been revised since the last evaluation, upgrading the recommendation for this ETF from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of March, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by $3.55, beginning at a price of $504.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.